Hello, this is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. This week, with the markets acting as strong as they are, we've got a couple of new sectors that are acting well. As we've seen in the Dow, it's staying in this trend channel, still in an upward trend. Even though it's slow, this allows candlestick investors to scan for the strongest sectors. So there's lots of good sectors. We've just picked out a couple. We know that the Dow's heading up, and we know that the NASDAQ is heading up, still well above the T-line. The probabilities just have to be assumed that the uptrend is going to continue. Last week, the biotechs worked well, and some of our computer-related stocks worked very well. As we saw in some of the biotechs, when they were gapping up and doing the message, they're still continuing the uptrend. This week, it's the retailers and the auto parts that are coming out strong. So you've got auto parts like Axle. You can see how that one broke out. That may have already left the barn. But things like Tenneco, you can see the J-hook pattern, the little best friend gap up off the 50, making the potential target up here at the 200-day moving average. Same scenario on AN or ADNT. You can see how it did a bullish engulfing signal right on the 50. Still likely target at least coming up to the 200-day moving average. The retail stocks, cons. You can see the J-hook pattern setting up. Look for wave 3. And Bed Bath & Beyond. Look where this one's doing a bobble breakout. Also giving you some big upside potential heading for the 200-day moving average. SFIX, another retailer. Notice the J-hook type pattern down here. Bouncing off the 50. When they support and go through the 50, that's usually your next target. And obviously Apple, one of the major retailers, after it did a J-hook pattern, it's been in a nice steady uptrend. It actually filled the gap that we expected at the 310 level, and there still isn't any signs of selling. So lots of bullish activity in this market. As long as the Dow can stay in this uptrending channel, that's going to give you the opportunity to identify which sectors are acting the strongest as they start rotating from one sector to the next. The gold and silver mining stocks are still acting well. Biotechs are still acting well. Lots of good trades out there. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms. Oh, and next weekend, for those that would like to get a much more comprehensive insights into candlestick analysis, we will be doing a 2-day training, all day Saturday, all day Sunday, starting from A and going to Z, showing all the major signals, the high profit patterns, where to set your stops, where to produce high probability entry strategies, when to take profits based upon candlestick reversal signals, and simple scanning techniques to find the best trades. This is the bread and butter of a candlestick analysis, starting from the very beginning and going to the end, seeing everything in a logical order. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.